And now for an update on the situation around the world. This is Paris, a city of millions that's one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world, appears at times almost abandoned.
Parisians piercing the silence with applause for health and emergency workers from their balconies and windows. They're quarantined at home. France has nearly 9,200 cases of COVID-19 with 264 deaths. At the Charles de Gaulle airport, travelers scramble to get on flights out of France as countries around the world close their borders to stem the spread of the virus, and major airlines make unprecedented flight cuts, bringing operations to a near halt.
We are going to Brazil, but not our flights canceled, and we are trying to buy other one or exchange the tickets.
The European Union has already agreed to close external borders for 30 days. And in nearby Italy, a grim sight in the northern part of the country, soldiers called in overnight to transport the bodies of those who have died from the disease. A local cemetery there trying to keep up with the number of dead. Italy's death toll now the highest in the world, 427 deaths in just a 24-hour period, bringing the nationwide total to more than 3,400 in less than a month. In neighboring Spain, the army was brought in to disinfect Barcelona's airport. It is still operating, but traffic is down to a minimum, with only a few flights in operation and all restaurants and shops closed. Spain has been the second hardest hit European country, registering more than 18,000 confirmed cases and 830 deaths. Angry travelers from all over the world stuck in Morocco after the government there suspended all international passenger flights to and from the country. Most of them are French citizens. 20,000 of them have been trapped since the travel ban was implemented. The French government now allocating 90 flights to evacuate tourists. In Iran, one of the hardest hit countries in the world, a very somber Persian New Year, typically a time for visiting friends and family. The health ministry announcing the virus is killing someone every 10 minutes and infecting about 50 people every hour. The death toll there, well over 1,000. The Iranian government blasting the United States for crippling sanctions that penalize international companies from selling medical equipment and key drugs to Iran. In Brazil, where the first fatality was reported this week, the sound of pots and pans ring across skyscrapers as people take to their balconies and windows to protest the president's handling of the pandemic. Confirmed cases there more than doubled over the past 3 days to 291, according to the health ministry. And in China, where this all began, the city of Wuhan is reporting no new homegrown cases, a sign that China's draconian lockdowns were effective. Images from the European Space Agency reveal a dramatic reduction in nitrogen dioxide emissions there between December and March due to the strict measures put in place to curb the outbreak, closing factories and streets. China has recorded more than 3,200 cases since January.